Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. Most of the time, we teach machines by showing them examples. But what if there are no examples? What if the machine has to navigate a world it has never seen? This is the logic of reinforcement learning. We don't give the machine a map, we give it a goal. We don't tell it which buttons to press, we just tell it when it has won the game. Think of training a puppy to sit. You don't explain the physics of sitting to the dog. Instead, you wait. When the puppy accidentally sits, you give it a treat. This is the logic of the reward signal. In reinforcement learning, the machine, the agent, takes an action in its environment. If the action gets it closer to the goal, we give it a mathematical treat, plus 1 point. If it hits a wall, we give it a penalty, minus 1 point. The machine's only logic is to maximize its total score. To get the most points, the machine faces a logical dilemma: exploration versus exploitation. Should it stick to the path it already knows, exploitation? Or should it try a completely new, risky path to see if there is a bigger reward, exploration? This is how AI masters games like chess or Go. It tries millions of random moves, many of them stupid, until it discovers a genius strategy that no human had ever thought of. It learns by failing until failure becomes impossible. The beauty of this logic is emergent behavior. Because we only reward the outcome and not the method, the machine often finds shortcuts we didn't expect. It develops its own logic for efficiency. Reinforcement learning is what allows robots to balance on 2 legs or satellites to stay in orbit. It isn't programmed intelligence, it is earned intelligence. It is the logic of growth through experience. Reinforcement learning proves that the best way to learn is to do. By setting the right goals and rewarding the right actions, we can teach a machine to master any world. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI. Thank you for joining the vault.